I'm Jackie with WTI. If you are like me and you can't get enough blankets, you hate to be cold, you like to have things just in case of emergency, and you're a big camper or hiker, there are so many reasons you need this blanket. This is the giant 66 by 90-inch wool blanket in burgundy by Woolly Mammoth. I love this thing so much. So many reasons. Let me start. So for one thing, I had this in my car and I went to spend the night at a friend's house. I need a little bit of weight on me and an extra blanket when I sleep, and they didn't have one. I pulled this Woolly Mammoth blanket out and put it on the bed. It's 4 pounds, so it gives a nice weight. It also fits a queen size bed, so you can share it if you need to. It's the perfect blanket. It folds up so small. You can put it in your backpack. You can take it camping with you. You can keep it in your car for in case of emergencies like I do. This is just the thing. And look at how big this is. It's amazing that it folds up so small. Love this blanket for all of those reasons. I highly recommend the Woolly Mammoth wool blanket in burgundy. It is a top-notch cozy must-have for any occasion. And that's my point of view.